My name is John Lee. Today we're here with just me and my cousin Brooklyn. She's laying down right now, so she's not coming. I was just bored, so I kind of wanted to make a vlog. This will be my first vlog of the season. Can you see my face? Oh, there. So I'm just gonna be walking around my backyard. Take my socks off so I can go in the grass. So today I was playing Pokemon Go, and there was like an Eevee and a Nidoran around. Freaking sucked. I didn't find it. So yeah, they're all in there being lazy. The party's over. It's the next day. I slept, and it felt good. Well, this is my garage. We're entering into the building. Ta-da! Don't run into anything, please. Alright, like I was saying, I was playing Pokemon Go, and then it sucked. Nothing showed up, and there was even big sightings. Oh, and yesterday I found a Bouffalant at my party. So yeah. Today we're just gonna be walking around talking. What you want to talk about, huh? I know, you can't hear me. And in the mailbox. This is my neighborhood, by the way. That's my house right there. That's my truck. That's the neighbors. It's a pretty big neighborhood, and I like it here. It's nothing big, because I'm not rich. Oh, man. Maybe later I'll see what the neighbors are up to. But, yeah. Dude, I did something today. I had to take a crap, and then somebody had the freaking toilet. So, yeah, it sucked. Had to wait like 2 hours. This was my mom. Oh my god, I hate that. You can't see me. Run. What is going on? That's the electric line. Oh my god. Well, that's the woods. My dad actually hung me a tire swing, if you can see that. Here, I'll walk you up closer. I love nature. Nature takes its course. Wait, that came out wrong. Yeah, see, that's the swing. Okay. There's the sticks. Ow. I'm in my bare feet right now. Herb. So, I know it's quiet around here. I wish the party didn't end. I got so much cool stuff. And I got this tablet. This is like the main thing. This is like the main thing that I got. So I'm just gonna take a seat over here. We're on top of my 4-wheeler trailer. Well, let's see. Is there any way we can prop this up something? So yeah, this is the trailer. That's my Uncle Landon. He's racing. The tablet falls, I swear to God, I'm gonna be so mad. You're actually propped up on my neighbor's truck right now. He might come over later. He was supposed to have a sleepover for the party, but he never showed up. Okay, well, this does it for this video. Leave a like, put a comment. Let me know if I should make any improvements, change anything, subscribe. And I'll see all you in the next video. Thanks for watching.